Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're all good and you're welcome back to Omo Healthy Living channel. This is a channel where we bring awareness to a healthy way of living. In today's video, I'm going to introduce one of my energy boosting green juices. Green juice is highly beneficial to your body, and if you make it correctly, you can get the maximum amount of its benefits and improve your overall health. I've noticed that when I consistently drink freshly juiced green juice, I have more energy, my skin is clearer, and I just feel overall better. So right now, I'm going to start off by showing you how I make this energy boosting green juice. The ingredients in the green juice I will be showing you today have healing and detoxifying properties. A healthy green juice should have a low sugar content. Green juice is an amazing addition to a healthy lifestyle, especially if it is low in sugar. Keep it in mind that juicing the greens will not maintain their fiber. Because of this, it is preferable to get fiber from other sources when consuming green juice regularly. This is why sometimes I make green smoothies instead, in order for me to get a suitable intake of fiber. Green juice is not only extremely hydrating, but it is also packed with several important nutrients which are absorbed into your digestive system, especially when you drink it on an empty stomach. The main ingredients that I will be using today are kale, spinach, parsley, ginger, turmeric, and lemon. Although optional, I added romaine lettuce, carrots, and cucumber for extra taste and benefits. Now that I have introduced all the ingredients, I'm going to wash them so that we can start juicing. The ingredients have been washed now. So while I'm juicing, I will explain some of the powerful benefits of this drink. Fresh green juice reduces inflammation in your body due in part to its high chlorophyll content. This chlorophyll plays many roles in your body, including strengthening your immune system, increasing red blood cell production, and helping your cells' ability to carry oxygen. The numerous enzymes in this juice improve digestive health, and the extra hydration and gut healing benefits provided by this juice are good for keeping your skin clear. Not only does green juice contain chlorophyll and several beneficial enzymes, but it also contains many other important minerals and vitamins, such as calcium to keep your bones healthy, vitamin C which helps support the immune system, and vitamin K which is necessary for blood clotting. It's also a great source of beta carotene, which is converted to vitamin A that supports cell growth and eye health. Juicy helps for fast and easy absorption of these important nutrients and increased energy levels. Another benefit of juicing is that it gives your digestive system a little rest and alkalizes your body. However, as I have said before, juicing the vegetables removes the majority of the fiber. Fiber is very vital to a healthy diet. A healthy fiber intake supports heart health and helps manage blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol levels. Fiber is very important for living a healthy life. This is why greens should be consumed in a variety of forms. For example, If you lack the fiber from the juice, you can get it from a smoothie or a salad and so on. If you don't have a juicer at the moment, you can also use a blender and strain the drink. I hope you start to make this green juice for yourself and your family to improve your health. I have introduced this juice to so many people. They all had tremendous results. I hope you get results too. So I'm going to sign out now. Thank you so much for watching, and it has been my pleasure having you on this channel. Leave your queries in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and let's stay healthy. God bless you and keep you. Bye.